Hey guys, my name is Acharita. This is Film Companion Reviews. You're watching not a movie review, and right now I am not going to be reviewing Noor. Noor is the story of a 28-year-old single girl working in the media, जिसके अरमान थे कभी बरखा दत्त बनने के, लेकिन is just now doing all kinds of fluff except serious journalism. She's in a constant battle with her lifestyle and partner choices, doesn't like partying on her birthday, and has an unfortunate habit of saying the wrong things at the wrong time. Now my question is, where did you put the hidden cameras in my house? What? For real? मेरे 20th birthday पर my biggest grouse with the world was कि इस साल भी मुझे दुनिया ने discover नहीं किया. I am literally this girl, right down to the age. मुझे भी बनना था बरखा दत्त. अभी मैं गरीबों की कनन गिल बन गई हूँ. But what happens when your aspirations take over your being and you forget your responsibilities as a media person, a friend, a human being? This Noor learns the hard way. The story adapted from Karachi You're Killing Me is so simple and predictable. You know every step of the way what is going to happen. अब ये ऐसे करेगी, अब वो होगा, अब interval point तक कहानी यहाँ पहुँच जाएगी. I haven't read the book, so I can't compare it with the screenplay. But the one big problem with Noor was that it tried to be a lot of things. Like in the beginning, it promises to be a real, light-hearted look at the real issues millennials struggle with. You know, drinking, partying, making out with people is not blasphemous. And with fun dialogue like, हर घर कुछ कहता है, लेकिन मेरा घर रोता है. And hot ladka, it's an urban legend. It does a fairly decent job of getting the point across. We are introduced to Noor's two best friends, Zara and Saad, who she calls 1/3 of her. Trinity of sort. She can't do without them. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram, Salman, Shahrukh, Amir. Eyes, nose and throat. You get the point. But at no point the story bothers to delve into the finer details of this friendship. See, just some ऊपर से shots of क्या हम घर पे बैठ के गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स नहीं देख सकते और बियर ड्रिंकिंग montages doesn't convince me कि ये तीन जिस्म एक जान टाइप सिचुएशन है. Then at some point post interval, without warning, Noor transcends into the story of a girl against the city, creating a Facebook video about the ruthlessness of this city, Mumbai. You're killing me. You've seen this in the trailer.
Mumbai, you're killing me. Why?
Beep you, Mumbai. Beep the builders. Beep the politicians. Beep you, Mumbai, for beeping me. For real, it springs at you out of nowhere, unnecessarily angsty, melodramatic. There are shades of political drama, daddy issues, one-night stands, unrequited love, sure. But the script and story don't let you get involved in or attached to any of these. You know, like, okay, when you're telling me about the backgrounds of your two best friends, कि इसके parents divorced हैं और इसके dad London में हैं, and the effects of any of these things don't reflect in your characters, मेरे साथ तो चिटिंग कर ली ना आपने कि मतलब अगर कुछ करना ही नहीं था इन लोगों का तो क्यों मेरे को अटेंशन देने को कहा आपने शुरुआत में. बाय. ऑल्सो जस्ट सेइंग रैंडम कॉन्डिमेंट्स के नाम इन किचन ain't convincing me about your chef prowess. मैंने बोला जुपिटर, अब मैं गैलीलियो. Sonakshi Sinha brings her acting chops to the table though, crying on cue like it's nobody's business. Girl shines here, delivers what is expected of her and some more. थोड़ा ऐसे नाक से कोड़ के ना कोकी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया. Bubblegum journalism थोड़ा आपसे करवा लिया. But her wardrobe is just so cute कि कोई बात नहीं जाने दो. She's nice. Shivani Dandekar plays a DJ, looks hot and slaps one guy in a scene. And that's it. उसको कुछ नहीं दिया करने को. Similarly, Kanan Gill. His fangirls are going to love him in this, especially in one credits scene. But if you're really looking for some solid acting performance, तो मतलब don't. Hi Purab Kohli though. He plays Noor's 40-year-old boyfriend and is easily the best actor on this ensemble in all his salt and pepper goodness. With dialogue like तुम कौन हो और तुमने मेरी friend के साथ क्या किया, clearly written in English and later translated to Hindi, Noor reaches a climactic point where things get resolved a little too easily and telltale signs of hurriedly written screenplay are clearly visible all over the place. And one last thing, if your friend is upset and maybe potentially depressed, threatening to slap them and screaming कि ये losers जैसी बातें मत कर might not be the best approach. Just saying. Massive shout out to my boy Amal Malik. The title track of the film is catchy AF and मेरी personal दरख्वास्त है कभी मेरे नाम पे भी गाना बना दो कुछ है आओ कभी हवेली पे. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Noor is 2 films in 8 months now. Sonakshi is released in and as Noor. Akira, you go girl. मेरा देश बदल रहा है. Okay, bye. Apparently, director Sunil Sippy discovered Kanan Gill on YouTube. मेरे को भी 1 साल से ऊपर हो गया. एक ऑडिशन नहीं आई. सब्सक्राइबर आ जाए एक चलो एटलीस्ट है. राइट हियर प्लीज.